guys, what's up? It is Brandy Chanell, and if you're new to my channel, here on this channel we talk about everything from makeup to hair to fashion to pretty much all things beauty and lifestyle. So if you haven't already, don't forget to hopscotch on over to that subscribe button, and if you haven't as well, don't forget to hit that notification bell so you can join the notification gang. All right, let's hop on to the subject matter at hand. All right, guys, so it is officially winter candle season. Woo! All right, so I'm gonna make this super quick because I did not get that many candles. Bath & Body Works had their candle day sale, which means the candles were $8.95. They go on sale usually for $12.95, but this time they were $8.95. So America / the world went crazy. The internet crashed. Okay, not the internet, but the website crashed. So I was only able to get a few, but it's all I needed, probably more than I actually needed. And this is going to last me, plus the last fall haul, through the next fall. I only buy candles in the fall and the winter because those are my favorite scents. Let's get into it. So candle number one. This is a new candle for me. I never smelled the Mahogany Balsam. This is a very pretty packaging. I'm not quite sold on the fragrance. I was thinking it's going to be kind of like a marshmallow fireside with the fresh balsam. I don't know what gave me that idea. I was absolutely wrong. This smells like a strong man cologne. It smells like a good smelling man. It smells like Irish Spring, actually. You know the male body splash Irish Spring? That's exactly what this smells like. I'm going to take this one back. I bought two of these. I'm going to take this one back and swap it probably for a fresh balsam or something else. But the packaging is gorgeous. So, yeah. All right. Next up is my absolute favorite candle. Oh, can you see that? This is Pumpkin Pecan Waffles. I purchased this one. I will leave an iCard above of the fall candles I purchased. But I purchased this one in the fall. This is probably the only candle I burn usually year round, so I try to stock up. That'll last me until my next big haul, which won't be until 2019. But anyways, so Pumpkin Pecan Waffle, it smells exactly like it says. It smells like pumpkin, it smells like pecans, and mostly it smells like waffles. Delicious. Ooh, this one is my absolute favorite for the winter time. This is Fresh Balsam. I have a fake Christmas tree, obviously here, as you can tell. So I miss that balsamy pine tree smell, because you know if you have a real tree, your house smells like a real tree. So this is a good faker for that. It just smells like a fresh pine tree. So if you're looking for that candle, go ahead and get Fresh Balsam. I got, I think, two of these. Just different kind of packaging. So these are the two Fresh Balsams that I purchased. Like I said, this is probably my second favorite behind Pumpkin Pecan Waffle. And if you haven't seen my Christmas tree or any of my Christmas decorate videos, I will leave those in the iCard above as well. And that is it, guys. I literally just purchased these little bit of candles because your girl has been spending like she's Paris Hilton. Sis, you are not. All right, guys. So I'll catch you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs up this video and tell everybody in your whole family to subscribe to this channel. Bye.